How to use private browsing with Safari on iPhone and iPad. Private browsing is a useful feature built into Safari and in iOS that limits what information is saved and shared as you browse the web. Let's look at how to use private browsing on iPhone and iPad, and how Apple described the feature for iPhone and iPad. Private browsing protects your favorite information and blocks some website from tracking your search behavior. Safari would not remember the pages you visit, your search history or your autofill information. Note you may notice that some website would not function normally when using private browsing, so try turning it off if you are running into issues. How to use private browsing on iPhone and iPad. For iOS 15, read along here for now for how private browsing works with iOS 14. Open Safari and tap the two square icon at the bottom of your screen. If you don't see the icon, tap near the bottom of the screen. Second, tap private. Third, now tap the plus icon to open a new site in the private window. You shall also see any existing Safari windows in private browsing. For when you want to use a standard window, head back to the Safari page manager to square icon and tap private again to turn it off, then tap done. If you turn on private browsing and have not used it before or don't have any open windows, this is what you shall see. You can quickly tell if you are using private browsing, as the URL search bar will appear with a dark theme instead of white or gray for standard windows. Also, the white highlight around private shown above on the right mean it is turned on. Tap the plus symbol at the bottom middle of the screen and start browsing. When you are finished using private browsing, tap the double square icon and tap private and done. Your open Safari windows in private browsing and standard mode will remain open if you go back and forth between them without closing the windows. Keep in mind that you would not be able to utilize handoff between your private browsing, Safari windows and other Apple devices. How to use the Magic Keyboard shortcut on the iPad Air and iPad Pro. One of the best things about the iPad is the possibility to add accessories to it, including Apple own Magic Keyboard. The Magic Keyboard for the iPad Air 4th generation, iPad Pro 12.9 inch, 3rd or 4th generation, and the iPad Pro 11 inch, 1st or 2nd generation gives the user the ability to simply enjoy the best part of iPad OS with a very familiar shortcut from the Mac OS. So do you know every one of them? Head below to find the most useful Magic Keyboard shortcut for your iPad. Using common keyboard shortcuts, it does not matter if you are on a smart folio keyboard or the Magic Keyboard. Either one of them has a few tricks when you press the command key. Like on a Mac, if you are a PC kind of person, the command key does the same thing as the control key on a regular computer. Here are a few common keyboard shortcuts. Command H, go to the home screen. Command spacebar, show or hide the search field.